Hi there, my name is Naomi and I'm a QUT graduate. I've just finished my Bachelor of Creative Industries and I'm still awaiting my graduation. I'm actually on my way to a meeting right now with Creative Enterprise Australia, or CEA, which is a startup incubator here at QUT. They're helping us with our project called EcoGuide, which is an app. So what happened was, in my last semester of uni, my groupmates and I created an app called EcoGuide for our capstone project. So now CEA is actually going to help us get that developed, which is really exciting. So come along, let's go! Alright, the meeting just got done, but I thought I'd chat to you a little bit about my time here. So before QUT, I actually studied at Taylor's University in Malaysia, and this was really great because QUT actually recognized my studies back home, and I was able to transfer right into the second year of my bachelor's here at QUT. And studying here, the learning style, it's quite practical, it's very hands-on, and it's flexible as well because I'm able to study different areas of interests. So Taylor's University kind of gave me the foundation, and QUT gave me the knowledge and skills to apply into the real world. Speaking about the real world, I also have a part-time job in the city, which I have to get to later. And I'm also completing an internship at a PR and marketing agency at South Bank called Superdream, and this is under my work integrated learning unit. So as you can tell, it's pretty hectic. I've got a lot of things going on, but I'm quite grateful because of all these opportunities that allows me to explore and do different things. And now that I've studied in Australia for 2 years, I'll be able to apply for the 2 years post-study work rights and hopefully be able to see my EcoGuide app get commercialized. So with 2 years left in this beautiful country, I can't wait to see what's next, and I can't wait to see what the future will bring. But the future right now is my part-time job, so I have to go and get to that so I won't be late. Alright, I'll see you guys!